Day. Gali potensimu dan kejarlah impianmu. Hanya di sini, VOA Career Day.
I'm Devon Sanders and welcome to VOA Career Day, and follow my story at Phantom Comics.
Halo Indonesia, apa kabar semuanya? Welcome to VOA Career Day. Inilah tempat di mana kita akan mempelajari berbagai macam karir yang unik di Amerika dan juga mendengarkan kisah-kisah inspiratif dari warga Indonesia yang telah sukses berkarir di Amerika. Sekarang ini asik banget nih saya pemirsa karena sedang berada di Phantom Comics. Ini adalah toko buku komik yang beken banget di downtown Washington DC. Waduh, di toko seperti ini kita bisa mencari berbagai macam komik-komik yang terkenal bukan hanya dari Amerika saja tapi dari seluruh dunia. Nah, kenapa nih kita ada di sini? Karena kita akan kenalan dengan seorang ilustrator kartun yang telah menciptakan berbagai macam kartun yang unik dan juga terkenal, apalagi kalau misalnya pemirsa sering nonton Yogi Bear. Waduh, pasti inget kan? Dan kita juga akan kenalan nih dengan seorang pembuat mainan untuk anak-anak. Dan to top it all off, kita juga akan kenalan dengan fotografer asal Indonesia yang sukses berkarir di Amerika. Makin gak sabaran aja ya, ayo yuk kita langsung kenalan dengan ilustrator animasi yang berikut ini.
So what do you think? Do you think you'd like to do this for a career? Draw pictures every day? It's great, I tell you. That's really in Mudley. He used to go.
Kalau kamu nonton TV, mungkin pernah melihat karya Bob seperti The Flintstones, Scooby-Doo, dan Yogi Bear. Selama 43 tahun sebagai animator, dia telah membuat banyak acara TV.
I just love drawing, and here I had a job where I could draw every day. Wow, can you beat that? Hey, boo-boo. I think it was like the 7th grade in grammar school. I did a drawing of a funny man, and I showed it to the girl behind me at the desk in school, and she didn't like it. So I was determined to make her laugh. So I kept working and working, and pretty soon I didn't enjoy it so much, I forgot all about her.
Bob terus menggambar dan belajar. Ia masuk ke sekolah seni dan bekerja di studio animasi Hanna-Barbera yang terkenal.
Every day I get up and go to work and draw. But it's not difficult. I was able to learn how to draw quickly and correctly.
Untuk menjadi animator, kita harus kreatif dan bisa bekerja sama dalam tim. Salah satu pekerjaan Bob adalah membuat sketsa karakter.
And then here we are with Fred, different poses. Here we have just heads with different expressions. There's Betty, and there's the car they drive around.
Dan tentu saja, karakter butuh sesuatu di belakangnya. Karena itu, ada pekerjaan lain untuk menggambar latar belakang.
This is a Flintstone background. Looks like it was made out of rock.
Agar ide terus mengalir, Bob mencari inspirasi di museum, dari buku, dan bahkan di mall.
I'm a people watcher, so I watch people, how they act, how they move, how they walk. In fact, once I had to do a drawing of several kids, and I had to put clothes on them that was current for today's, what they wear today. So I had to go to a mall, and I sat there, and as kids would walk by, I would draw ink, pastel, and colored pencil. In the same drawing, why not? There are no rules here.
Meskipun Bob telah meninggalkan pekerjaan tetap sebagai animator beberapa tahun lalu, tapi dia tidak pernah pensiun.
Now that I'm working at home freelance, a lot of my work comes in on the computer. For instance, this gallery wants me to do a number of these, what they call screen grabs. They take a frame of cartoon film, send it to me on the computer, and then I reproduce it in my style, and they sell it.
Bob juga sibuk memuaskan fansnya. Sebagian dari mereka ingin dibuatkan karya seni yang spesial, dan Bob dengan senang hati membuatnya.
This is done for a dental client, and it says here, "Hey Fred, I think we better go see Dr. Chopra."
Tapi ada satu proyek yang paling ia banggakan.
What do you feel like drawing?
I feel like Shaggy.
Okay, draw me Shaggy. I've enjoyed so much teaching. I've discovered a new career for myself. It's still so much fun to pass on what I've learned. Remember, there are no bad drawings in this world. I've had kids drawing who just tear them up and say, that's no good. And I try to tell them there's no such thing as a bad drawing. You know, a lot of parents go to me and say, my kid likes to draw, what should he do? I said, just let him draw every day. He'll teach himself.
Bob menekuni pekerjaan sebagai seniman dan menemukan karirnya. Kini dia adalah seorang guru dan tidak pernah berhenti menggambar.
You know, it's like being a kid again, getting your fingers all messy. But I don't mind. I look back at my career and I think, gee, how lucky I was to be an animator. I didn't realize until I retired how much people enjoy our work. I go to a doctor's office and I mentioned I do Scooby-Doo. His eyes light up. And he says, wow, I worked as a kid.
Wah, asik banget pemirsa. Ternyata di sini ada komik harganya cuma $1. Waduh, ini nih baru nih yang namanya bargain find, murah banget cuma $1. Dan yang satu ini nih kesayangan saya nih, ada Superman-nya. Nah, pemirsa mungkin bisa ya seperti Bob tadi menggambar kartun-kartun yang nantinya juga bisa dijadikan animasi di layar TV. Waduh, keren banget kan kalau misalnya kerjanya setiap hari menggambar kartun. Oke deh pemirsa, jangan kemana-mana setelah pesan-pesan yang berikut ini, karena when we come back kita akan belajar tentang pembuat mainan. Siapakah dia? Don't go anywhere, only on VOA Career Day.